For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Hi family, and welcome back to Everything's Major. For today's episode, we're making some delicious, juicy, oven-baked barbecue wings along with a flavorful brown sugar baked beans paired with our southern style potato salad. So without further ado, let's make it major. All the information and ingredients will be down in the description box. So sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. Like always, I clean my chicken, then I place it in the brine with some sugar, salt, lemon, water solution. Pat chicken dry and cut some slits in the skin. Then coat your chicken with some avocado oil. The avocado oil is going to add some flavor and make the skin a little bit crispier in the oven. Now it's time to season our meat on both sides. All the seasonings I use will be listed down in the description box. Your chicken should look something like this, well nice and seasoned. Now place your wings on a wire rack and bake in the oven on 400 degrees for an hour, flipping them over halfway through. While our wings are cooking, let's work on this delicious brown sugar baked beans. For our baked beans, we're gonna dice 1 green pepper, 1 jalapeno pepper, 1 red onion, and 1 shallot. Drizzle some avocado oil in your skillet, then add in all your diced veggies. Then add in 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Now I'm adding in some Italian seasoned sausage to our baked beans. This part is optional, but it's going to make our baked beans even more delicious. Now, it's a battle between the Van Camp original baked beans and Bush's baked beans. Let me know in the comments which beans you think taste the best. My grandmother always used Van Camp baked beans. It's been a staple in our family. Before adding our baked beans, I drain off the excess oil and fat. Now return your sausage and veggies back into your skillet and add in your baked beans. Now, if you ever see this barbecue sauce in your local grocery store, please grab it. It is so delicious and it has a hint of pineapple juice in it. To finish our wings, we're going to add a hefty amount of this Hawaiian barbecue sauce all over our wings. Now pop your wings back in the oven for a few more minutes. When finished, they should look something like this, very beautiful and succulent. For our baked beans, I'm going to use a different barbecue sauce to add a little bit more hickory flavor to them. Add in your barbecue sauce. Add in 1/4 cup of ketchup. Then some mustard. A 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You can always adjust the sugars to your liking, and about 1 tablespoon of some liquid smoke. This will help Let's get that smoky flavor to our baked beans. Add in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Next, add in 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and mix everything well together. I added a little bit more barbecue sauce and brown sugar on top because I am just so sweet. Bake on 350 for 45 minutes to an hour. It all depends on your preference. Our beans and our chicken is ready, so let's eat. This is the finished product, a beautiful barbecue meal that your family will love. The Southern style potato salad recipe is in the description box, so you'll have the recipe too for that. I just bought a little bit extra eggs to serve on top of the potato salad, along with some sweet paprika and parsley. Make sure to try this recipe. Everything came out really good and flavorful. Make sure to share this video with all your family and friends, and return back and subscribe to my channel. Now, if you're still in the mood for some barbecue, please check out my barbecue ribs video. I paired it with some lobster mac and cheese. It came out so good. You're gonna love that video too. Well, thank you for watching. Take good care of yourself and each other, and I will see you soon again, real soon next time. Bye. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.